got this. So let's get to, oh,
There you go. Awesome.
So this is Hayden working on leaf springs. Getting it put in. We got Scott over there working on it.
I had my
Dogs running around. Got Robbie helping with the nuts. And we got David over here making sure everything's running right. So tell us one of the things you're learning about this.
Calluses.
You need calluses. That's a good thing to learn early.
This will give them to you.
This will get them for you.
horrible, but it's true. It was the only way I was
So as you
going.
can see, we're putting the rear end back in.
Now,
We gotta put the leaf springs in and everything like that. We've welded on the back of this. Yeah. And the window just disappeared.
it's guy time.
Guy time.
Oh yeah.
Is it guy time, David? Say guy time.
Hi, son.
That's a good autistic guy time.
Put this back in. Bottom one goes on here. Go through here on this side. Because that one's already on there. This comes up. Here. Everything lined up just right.
What does that do?
It supports the weight of the car so that when you hit a bump, it's like a shock. That's part of what it does.
It's kind of like when you hop on your bed, you jump up and down, it keeps it from the bed breaking. Same thing with the car. The car goes hopping on the street, keeps it from breaking.
Where at? Oh, timeout. Here it comes.
He's just throwing a rear axle at Hayden. Hayden doesn't mind.
It happens on days alright. Kind of worse.
There it goes. Okay. Just need these lined up a little better. And this.
Oh, yeah. And then
You gonna help David? You gonna go help Hayden? Oh, you're gonna lay in the dog? You're getting the dog pads? Oh, that's so nice. Hi, Doug. That's so nice. Give him. How's it going back there, Hayden? It looks like that's taking you a little time. You need a Babu snack?
yeah.
Okay, Daddy, get your Babu, okay?
Also, hey, that car over there that I have actually is so small that it can fit in one of the exhausts.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's true. Which we
Kind of like a potato, huh?
What you guys messed up? What happened?
Oh what? Oh Scott.
I goofed up.
I don't believe that at all.
We didn't take out the bolt that holds the leaf springs in.
Uh-huh.
That the leaf springs go into.
Uh-huh.
So I went to go put the other side of the leaf spring up to slide that bolt through it. It still had the bolt in it. But even if you took the bolt out, there's not enough room to put it through in there. So we had to take them back out. And then that way we can put the bolt through the leaf spring as a unit, stick the whole unit in, and then put the bolts from behind.
Ah.
So he's redoing what I had him do in the first place.
David, don't throw the cars. Alright, so this is the other side. We got it all hooked up there. We got 2 kids fighting. Don't touch that, Robbie. Don't. Robbie, get off that, please.
Careful, careful, look.
It's great.
I see and I remember. I do and I understand.
Oh, he's putting it. Look at that. He's trying to put a nut on there.
Where's the bolt for the
one in his hand, probably.
no for the leaf spring there? Oh, it's still in there. Okay.
Oh, another one is still in there.
Yeah.
Put the bolt on.
Yeah.
Starting to be hung.
3 almost 4-year-old is trying to help put a bolt on. Good job, you're getting it. You're getting it. Keep paying attention.
He's getting distracted by Robbie's car.
Yeah, get that, Robbie. Don't do that.
Hey, he's getting it on.
That's so
He did it
awesome.
backwards. That's okay.
Good job, David. Yeah.
Man,
You're
there's
gonna make a fine
He's
mechanic.
gonna be a mechanic.
just